Hello everyone, hope you guys are well and welcome back in this video where I'm gonna sell my luxury bags. You have everything on my website. I'm a bag lover. This is how all started thanks to YouTube videos. Every Wednesday I release this type of videos where I show you bags that I have for sale, and Sunday's videos are more for vlogs, how to authenticate bags, bag reviews, how to care about your bags, and etc. like more classic videos. Just to let you know, we ship from Europe, but we include customs and taxes inside our prices. This is not yet updated on the website though. Don't hesitate to write to me. We ship worldwide. We deliver everywhere in the world, USA, Canada, Dubai, I don't know, like UK, Ireland, Finland, wherever you are, we deliver. This is the first one that I have with the box. This is a beautiful one. I don't have the dust bag of origin. So when I don't have the dust bag of origin, I'm giving you our dust bag, okay? Everything goes through Entropy. Entropy is a device mix of AI, big data, and human verification. And this is also a device helped by LVMH Group, where Louis Vuitton is part of. So you have our expertise and our certificate, but also Entropy. For example, for this bag, this is included. For bags above 1,500, it's included. Below, it's not included, but we do it anyway. And if you want it, you can contact us. Okay, so for this one, this is the OnTheGo. So this is a small version, giant monogram, very cool. You have top, like long top handles, and you have also small top handles. This is a great one, great size. For the callouts, I would say the handles on the side start to damage a little bit. It's not too much. And inside, because outside is very, very good. It's amazing. You have some trace of wear. Like, it's not huge, but you have some little trace of wear. Obviously, it's a pre-loved. I have a zipper pocket, and that's it. This is such a useful one. Very functional for an everyday use. Do you have the OnTheGo? What do you think? Do you prefer the OnTheGo or the Never Full? Like, very interesting question. I have personally the Never Full, but I think I like more and more the OnTheGo. This one is 1,990 euro. I will try to give you on the screen the USD price. This way you can imagine the USD price. And in the USD price, customs and taxes are included. Okay, you just have to pay your shipping, and that's it. We've been testing this for a while now and everything worked, so I'm super happy. We already delivered to the US, to Canada, and to Switzerland with taxes included and customs, obviously, and it was perfect, so, you know. Next, I have a little surprise. I have this Papillon bag, but this Papillon bag this year made actually a baby. So you have both of the bag for the same price. So either you have two different stuff, either you attach this little one to the mama and it makes you a double bag or a bag charm. So both are in very good condition. These are vintage. Leather parts are in very good condition actually. Some trace of wear, but very little rubbing on the sides, but almost nothing, honestly. The canvas is perfect. The hardware is a little bit like used, obviously it's vintage, but for example, for your Louis Vuitton hardware, I would honestly really recommend this product. This is a Mécano from Havel. This is the best brand ever, okay? This is French. We can also ship it anywhere in the world. You can clean all your zippers, all your hardware of Louis Vuitton bags. This is insane. It's for also different materials. This is such a game changer. This is magic. And of course, I do sell it on my website, so have a look. I do have care leather products, hardware products, like fabric products and everything. If you don't really know what to buy, contact me. I can advise, of course. And when you buy this type of things, you have a guide like to help you on how to take care. I'm preparing some little videos to help you for this. Okay, inside you have trace. It's not stain, you know, it's more like trace. It was used already, and this little one is actually in very good condition. Both of them, like one full package, is 590 euro. Next, I have a Boston bag from Celine. This bag is a Celine one. This is the beige canvas with brown leather. You have some very little trace of wear on the handles, but almost nothing. The bag is such in a good condition. Same here. almost not rubbed on the corners. This is insane. The condition of the bag is crazy. And the inside is in excellent condition with a zipper pocket. Like, it's beautiful. And the price is so interesting in this type of Celine bags, honestly. This bag is crazy. It looks like a Speedy. And the price is 350 euro. Can you imagine? It's lower than a wallet from any type of brand. So this is good. This is good. I just also wanted to say Happy New Year. Happy new 2025 year. I hope you had an amazing 2024 and you will have a more amazing 2025. I wish you all the best, that all your wishes come to life, come true. I really hope you're going to stick with me for the year 2025 as well. But I really hope you had an amazing end of year, like good holidays. And I'm very excited to start 2025. I hope you're motivated as well. And if you're not, it's fine. You know, like we are who we are. But all is gonna be well. Like all is gonna be well. So that being said, let's go for this video. And now I want to show you such a festive, beautiful bag. This is the Book Tote from Dior. And as you can see, this is like a little bit goldish, white and gold beige. Beautiful baby. I had the dust bag. I'm sorry, the light might be a little bit strong. Each time I show a white bag, it's very, very light. I'm sorry. Otherwise, I'm going to be too dark. So I had the dust bag for this baby. I have papers and a little ribbon with the star. The inside of the bag has some trace of wear, like a little stain. It's not that huge, honestly. What else can I show you? I do have an entrepreneur certificate also for this one. I do have entrepreneur certificate on every bags that I sell. I don't provide it necessarily for every bag, only for the ones above 1,500. And if you want it like for the ones below, you can contact me, of course, and you can buy the certificates. The corners are a little bit darker, but nothing that much. No stain on the bottom, which is like very good. And that's it, I have to say. You have some trace here stains, but I think it's because of the glue they use, because every corner here has it. So I think it's due to the glue they use. And the price is actually very good. We are below 2,000. It's 1,880 euro. Such an amazing price. This is such a gem, like, and it's not that fragile, honestly. Let's go. Louis Vuitton bag. This is a musette one, canvas and leather. This bag is in very, very good condition. You have the strap that is adjustable. This is not a crossbody bag, okay? This is just a bag that you wear on the shoulder. You could adjust it and attach like an adjuster for the strap to make it longer and wear it as a crossbody bag. It's totally possible. Then the leather on the side is in excellent condition. The bag is in excellent condition, like amazing. I also do have the dust bag for this one, and the inside is in suede leather with a little pouch. Excellent, excellent condition, like honestly. And the bag is 580 euro. Next little item, I have the dust bag, and look what I have. This is a keychain from Saint Laurent. First time that I had the keychain from them. So either you use this little SLG for the keys that you can attach here, or you can use it as coin, as a wallet. I do personally have one from Louis Vuitton, and I do use it for coins, and I'm very happy about it. So this is a patent turquoise blue leather from Saint Laurent. The patent is tiny sticky, but it's normal with patents usually. Inside is in excellent condition. Otherwise, it's very, very excellent, honestly. Price is 220 euro. Beautiful. Then we have this compact wallet from Louis Vuitton in Monogram canvas. Stay until the end because I have a huge one to show you. You're going to love it, and it's as new. So this is a one that is a little bit vintage, but excellent condition. Press button has marks. Corners are a little bit tiny rubbed. We open it here. We have a great condition here. It's a little trace of fur, but very minor. Large pocket there for cash, for example, that is in excellent condition. And let's open the coins part. The heather is quite in good condition though. It's cool. And this part, I'm gonna remove my price tag. This part is a little bit used with trace of wear, but it's also minor. I try to show you best. You have the photos on the website though, and the price is 195 euro. And the last one is in a huge box because you're gonna understand why. This is a Louis Vuitton shipping box. This is a full set. I have an invoice, box, dust bag, Entropy certificate, everything. So you also have the ruban. I have the invoice. Let's open. So as you can see, this is a beautiful box. This one is a little bit more fancy than the usual ones because this is a more fancy bag. It means it's a little bit more above in terms of quality. Up. You're gonna love it, I think. Let's see what's hidden inside. I'm in love. So you have a strap that is adjustable. This is empreinte leather bag in cream. This is a beautiful one, honestly. Color is insane. The shape of the bag also is insane. This is very wide, guys, but look, full leather. Amazing. The only call out about this bag is this corner, a little bit rubbed, and I think you can rub it like almost nothing. Insane. You have 2 pockets on the sides. And the inside is beautiful. I'm going to show you. Inside is suede also. We cannot see anything, but it's dark brown suede inside with 2 pockets on the side. This is an excellent bag. You can have it for a very good price, honestly. We sell it for 1,900 euro. This is insane. This is a bag that you can wear crossbody or on the shoulder. And that was it. This is the video of the day. I will see you again this Sunday for more classic videos. I hope you really enjoy it. I will link 2 videos here if you want to watch them. It's more classic videos. The last one and one that can be like interesting for you. I'll see you very soon. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. I will